Got it? Got it. Good. Out on. Lights off. Oil pressure is green. Suction is 5.
Welshpool radio, Golf Whiskey Alpha Romeo Whiskey at the pumps, request airfield information.
Romeo Whiskey, reading stand 5, we use your runway 22, we have a QNH 1030.
22 and it's QNH 1030, Golf Romeo Whiskey.
Romeo Whiskey, and the other aircraft will stay at your way.
Roger, Romeo Whiskey.
Go flying. Let's go flying, man.
And Alpha Uniform is climbing. This is the dead side and will stay there until you departed.
Thank you, Alpha Uniform.
Some power checks.
That's the, yeah, the dead side for you.
Roger.
Good of him. Nice friendly little place. I love it here, it's good, isn't it? Yeah. And it's a lot quieter than...
yeah, can you get down there? Good to Alpha. Oh, he's good in your power.
Oh, better, yeah. That'll do.
Got the civilian beacon flashing, haven't they, in the top of the
Yeah.
white light flashing?
You don't see them often, do you?
No. They got the helipad.
Power checks.
Romeo Whiskey at the Alpha Hole, short delay for power checks.
Romeo Whiskey.
Are you good to go, James?
I'm good, you?
Right, I just don't want to stop, that's all.
Yep.
Let's go, so take-off time is...
I'll get it.
Golf Romeo Whiskey, rolling 22.
Romeo Whiskey.
Power's good, T's and P's are green. Yeah, speed alive. There's 40, 50, 55, and there she goes.
Oh, loads of runway, Jono. Lovely, lovely short field. It's left hand, is it left hand? Right hand?
Well, he was going left hand, I'm going to go left.
Yeah. Are you going to climb into the overhead or just...
300 feet, it's one stage of flat.
Doesn't half sink when you send the flaps away, do it? We can stay outside the ATZ anyway if you want. Mind you, you got those hills to clear.
Yeah.
Golf Romeo Whiskey, turning left downwind, runway 22, climbing into the overhead.
Romeo Whiskey.
Alpha Uniform, just descending through 1800 feet on the downwind leg to 04.
There he is. Got
Alpha Uniform. Alpha Uniform, thanks for holding for us there.
No problem, just have in front.
I love it how you've put Knob Lake in your...
You like that?
Yeah. I put like my mates' houses in and stuff, so if I'm ever out anywhere and I'm close to them, you got the QNH and you have 1032.
Aye.
listening to hear my mistakes. It's only if James puts them on YouTube or something. Yeah, hunt him down. Doing Alton Park or?
Ask for Tarvin, see if we can get it.
You want Tarvin?
Liverpool approach, Golf Whiskey Alpha Romeo Whiskey. With information Tango, request a rejoin at Tarvin. Currently overhead crew, and we would estimate Tarvin in 10 minutes. Golf Whiskey Alpha Romeo Whiskey Liverpool radar, good afternoon. Squawk 5050, it's a basic service outside control airspace. 5050, basic service outside, Golf Romeo Whiskey. Golf Whiskey Alpha Romeo Whiskey, clear to join control airspace, routing via Tarvin, not above altitude 1,500 feet, VFR QNH1032. Clear to join control airspace at Tarvin, not above 1,500 feet, VFR, and the QNH1032, Golf Romeo Whiskey. Golf Romeo Whiskey, correct, report at Tarvin. Golf Romeo Whiskey.
Get in.
The logo's on one side.
I don't think I can. I don't think I can pull off white shades, mate. I'm too old.
I had a pair of black ones. I was in a rush.
They're cool, then. Too cool for me. What we want now is Ian and the lads to come on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Radar Golf, Zulu Indian Number Charlie, altitude 2,500 feet, 1033. Request traffic service outside the zone transit routing Wallasey northbound.
That's Ben.
Is that Ben? That's Ben.
Indian November Charlie, Liverpool radar.
Indian November Charlie.
Traffic service.
I don't know, it's definitely Ben in it.
Sounds like him.
Traffic service 1032, Golf Number Charlie.
Ben Cornwell.
Yeah.
Zulu Indian November Charlie, close across Liverpool control airspace, routing Wallasey, Blackpool, not above altitude 2,500
Talking
feet.
to him on Snapchat before.
Clear to transit Liverpool control airspace via Wallasey, direct Blackpool, not above altitude 2,500
Yeah, it's Ben.
VFR, Golf Number Charlie, thanks. Golf Number Charlie, correct, and it's taking you on terrain clearance. Terrain clearance, Golf Number Charlie. Alright, Ben. Hello.
He'll be like, who the hell is that?
Do you know him?
Yeah, I was talking to him on Snapchat this morning.
Alright.
I don't know, I've just seen his channel.
Yeah.
Well, you'll have that on, buddy. You'll have that on.
Yeah, I got it on video.
You'll have it on thingy, won't you? Night time. It's just, that could be, you know, made out of Christmas cake down there, the happiest place to be in the world, you know what I mean? Up here, it's ace, isn't it?
Golf Romeo Whiskey approaching the south bank.
Golf Romeo Whiskey report, final runway 27, number 1.
Final 27, we're number 1, Golf Romeo Whiskey.
Nice. Oh, brakes, we've got pressure on the cabin fixed, mixture's rich, parking brake is off, fuel pump on, landing light on. Radios, you're in short, that ground's closed anyway, T's and P's are all green, DI, can't see it but I know where I'm going. 1029 and 1032 in case I have to go around. Doors and seat belts. Done. Cabin lights dimmed for landing.
Cabin crew seats for landing.
Yeah.
Something coming.
I always get sat next to that knobhead who, like, when it's out, there's a reading light in the panel above your head.
Yeah.
There's like bang, it's like, oh fuck, I can't see anything out the window now.
I had a flight once, mate, and a Russian, I was flying to New York from Hawaii or something, I was on my honeymoon, and a Russian lady sat in my seat. And I couldn't talk to her, obviously, she was Russian, she didn't understand a word of English.
Yeah.
And then pulled the fucking window blind down all the way. And I was trying to put it back up, she just went, da, da. Just spoiled my flight.
Yeah.
I was fuming all the way. Right, lad.
Commercial 1 Golf
Still out cockpit.
One engine starts on stand 7 is approved. Report when you're ready for push on second engine.
So one engine starts approved on stand 7 and we'll report for push Blue Measure 1 Golf 0.
Easy 72 X-ray Golf.
It's 195 from 27, cliff takeoff, service been 280 degrees.
That's a climb up, I can't.
Cliff takeoff 27, thank you, easy 7195.
Have me orbiting over.
Golf Whiskey, sorry, you wanted the approach lights on 100%, is that correct?
Alright with John?
Yeah, just for...
Roger.
You alright with it on 100%? Okay,
Yeah.
blind does.
It's impressive though.
Yeah.
That is bright.
Has she switched them up?
Yeah.
Some of them, so like...
But it's supposed to cut through fog and everything, isn't it? Bloody hell. Is he rolling?
Just doing it.
Just, isn't he? Now mate, she didn't say left or right hand orbit, did she?
No.
There's a Runcorn Bridge, the old one.
This is where I live, in front of your witness.
Ian, are you a witness boy, are you?
I am.
Downtown Widnes or Cronton or?
Near Cronton.
Near Cronton, yeah.
Golf Whiskey, report final, your number 1.
Report final number 1, Golf Romeo Whiskey. Golf Romeo Whiskey, turning final.
Golf Whiskey, runway 27, clear to land, subsent 290 degrees, 6 knots.
Clear to land 27, Golf Romeo Whiskey.
There we go.
Blue Measure 1 Golf Zulu, requesting pushback now on stand 7 and cross speed start, please.
I'll get you landed.
Easy, 195, contact schedule control, 128.055, bye-bye.
128.055, 195.
Blue Measure 1 Golf Zulu, push and second engine start is approved off stand 7 to face east.
Pushback approved to face east over cross speed starts, approved also Blue Measure 1 Golf Zulu.
Normally they put the side lights and every light on as bright as the approach ones. I think because EasyJet was going off, she's just put that on.
Blue Measure 1 Golf Zulu, you obviously need to be airborne at 1700. Do you think you're going to make that?
Affirm Blue Measure 1 Golf Zulu.
Blue Measure 1 Golf Zulu, roger.
Probably costing them some money, mate, burning all them candles.
Yeah.
The phone guy can focus on it so bright.
That's got to turn them off.
That's alright. Don't want to piss her off.
400 feet a minute. Perfect. Almost on the ILS.
Oh yeah, that's it, 5 times the ground speed, so 400 a minute, yeah. And that'd be your instrument rating decision height coming up now.
It is under extra golf, taxi Alpha 1, runway 27, QNH 1033.
Alpha 1 27 with the QNH 1033, is he 72 extra golf.
Those people who live there, all the bloody houses all be lit up. Lovely, Jono. going to get around there? They might do.